In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable participant identifier in REDCap. Now, first, you'll need the permissions to do this because you have to access survey distribution tools. Now, to do this, you want to go to the bottom left and click on user rights. And then from here, you want to click on yourself, so your email over here, and then click on edit user privileges. These are your permissions, and you want to check this survey distribution tools, so where it's like it has a check mark, and then click on save changes, and now you're good to go. When you refresh the site here, it's going to show you survey distribution tools under data collection. Then go in here and go to participant list. And inside your participant list here, you can add participants if you don't have any. So I can click on here and just add people. For example, the first email over here, then press enter, add the second one, enter, third one, etc. You get the point. And then from here, it's going to give you all of those on your list. Now I have myself here. That's what I'm going to demonstrate that with. You simply want to go to where it says participant identifier, and you want to click on enable. When you do this, you can read that. And if you're sure you want to do it, click on yes, enable participant identifiers. And then there we go. Click on close, and now you can add your identifiers. Click inside a field next to the email, type in your identifier, and click on save. And just like this, you've successfully enabled it that easily. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.